what's up? It's Adele and welcome back to Addictive Videos. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing my tips and tricks on how to kick off your Instagram page, or if you're already on Instagram, how to get more likes and more followers. So I've mentioned my Instagram before in my first video. My Instagram is about my dogs. Here are my dogs. I've had this Instagram for about 2 years now, and there are some things that I realized that were making my page go up and making my page go down. If you want to go follow my dogs, I'll put the link in the description. So the first thing I recommend is to have one specific theme for your page, and for mine it's dogs. You can have whatever theme that you want to have, like for example dogs, fan pages for TV shows or whatever you're a fan of. Make sure you stick with that one thing and try not to have a bunch of things merged into one Instagram page. Also make sure that your profile picture, username, and bio are all related to that one specific theme. Also follow people that have to do with what you're posting. That way you'll most likely get people to follow you back because you both like the same thing. So obviously if you want to get followers, you need to post pictures and videos. So this is pretty obvious, but post what your theme is about. For example, if you are making a dog account, try not to post about what you eat every single day, because it doesn't make sense that you're posting about food when your layout is about dogs. So when you post on your page, make sure that the quality of the picture or video is good and not like blurry or unfocused. And make sure that when you're scrolling through like your feed, make sure it's something that someone would want to click on and click like. Like the same thing for YouTube. So if you're like scrolling through YouTube and you see like a creative thumbnail, obviously you want to click on it because it catches your eye. So this thing will most definitely get you likes on your post. Use hashtags. Try and use about like a paragraph full of hashtags. And I know that it can be really annoying to type it out, but there's something that I've been doing since I started this account. Depending on what you have, you should have like a notes app. Just go through Instagram and search the most top hashtags that have to do with what you're posting and just type them all out and then save it. And then when you're ready to post a new picture, just go onto your notes and copy and paste it. Then the hashtags will be there and you won't have to sit there and type them all out. Another thing to do is to write creative captions for your page instead of just having a bunch of hashtags in your post. Have a caption. It can either be a question, it could be a creative quote, it can pretty much be anything. And when the person reads that caption, they may or may not comment on your post. Okay, so this is a big one, especially for me, is staying active on your account. So you want to post like 2 to 3 times a day, and try not to post like every 30 minutes. Try and post like 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, and like 1 in the evening. And try not to post once a day, because if you post once a day, people on Instagram most likely won't see your post. Like for example, if you post 1 in the morning, there probably isn't a chance of anybody else seeing your post at night. Also, if you're gonna post a lot, try not to post them all at once. This has to go along with the people that you follow. Like and comment on their pictures. That way they can see that you're not on Instagram just to post pictures. Now, it's really rare if I do this, but post on your Instagram story. Like now that they have like Instagram polls, they have like take a quiz, they have ask a question, like you can do that. That way you can interact with your followers. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below for more videos every single week. If you have any other tips and tricks for starting an Instagram or starting any kind of social media, so make sure you comment them down below. Anyways, I will see you guys next time. Bye!